Today is October 25, 2022, and I am Tony the Bull back with another technical analysis update for NewsBTC. Bitcoin price is now dead smack at the middle point of a horizontal trading range, making for a natural stopping point for profit taking and to draw in a fresh set of short positions. Busting through the range median will result in another attempt at around 25K. More importantly, Bitcoin price is continuing to make a strong push outside of the Bollinger Bands on daily timeframes. After tightening for so long and now starting to expand, the rally could have more legs than bears ever expected. That's because Bitcoin price has already found and met resistance at the mid-Bollinger Band on weekly timeframes. The key resistance level at the 20-week SMA was where I placed a head short entry today in case the rally is rejected instead. If there is no rejection and Bitcoin keeps on rising, we could be looking at a full-blown return to a crypto bull run. Zooming out shows just how significant a weekly close above the middle Bollinger Band could be. Turning on Bollinger Bandwidth shows that the bands are some of the tightest ever. The last two instances were prior to the 50% breakdown to the 2018 bear market bottom. Before that was prior to the epic 2017 Bitcoin bull run that made cryptocurrency a household name. Importantly though, in 2018 Bitcoin price was below the mid-Bollinger Band, while in 2016 it was above the mid-BB. The trend is more likely to continue on whatever side of the mid-Bollinger Band price is on. If the weekly BTCUSD chart closes above the middle band and holds, it could be off to the races once again for Bitcoin bulls. One caveat could be that the monthly Bollinger Bands are now rising from one of their lowest points ever. In the past, each rise in volatility suggested a new bull market was blossoming. But in the past two instances, Bitcoin was above the middle Bollinger Band, while this time we are below it. If you paid attention to what I said about price being above the weekly middle band, being below the monthly doesn't exactly bode well for Bitcoin. However, a touch of the lower band can also be extremely bullish. On quarterly timeframes, Bitcoin price is actually at this moment retaking the middle Bollinger Band, which in the past has put in the bottom during all past bear markets in Bitcoin. This could be more telling of what is about to happen when combined with the daily and weekly Bollinger Bands. Back to those weekly Bollinger Bands for a sense of what happens if Bitcoin were to get through the mid-BB. The upper band would become the next logical target, located at $23,800. Much like Bitcoin has done on daily timeframes, pushing outside the upper band is possible given the abundance of short interest in the market. Replacing the Bollinger Bands with the Ichimoku on the same weekly time frame also tells us a lot about what could happen next. Bitcoin price is pushing above the Tenkan-sen, making the next major resistance level the Kijun-sen, located at $32,000. In 2018, we can see that the two lines were much closer together, but anything is possible with so much energy built up in the market. During the first bounce from the 2018 bear market bottom, Bitcoin price pushed all the way outside the top of the cloud, only to make it out of it, but ultimately lose it once again on Black Thursday 2020. If Bitcoin price were to reach the top of the cloud, the rally could be stopped at $43,000. Once above the cloud, all that's left for Bitcoin is the moon. That's it for today's analysis. I'm Tony the Bull Spilotro signing off. Self-education is the best investment you can make. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and check out newsbtc.com.